Okay, so hello everyone. This is part 9 of our playlist HTML CSS. Okay, our playlist name is HTML CSS. Okay, so here in today's video we are going to learn about CSS syntax. So what is the correct way to write CSS? Syntax means what are the rules we have to follow while writing the syntax. Okay, so whenever you will write CSS, you will follow this particular syntax. Hope you are understanding it. Like first you will write your tag name. Your tag name is also known as selector. Okay, then you will write open curly braces and you will write end curly braces, right? Then you will write property, whatever property you want to apply, you can apply. So first you will write the property name. Okay, there are lots of properties available in CSS. According to your need, you can use any property. Okay, after writing property, then you will write semicolon. Sorry, it is colon, not semicolon. You will write colon, then you will write value. Okay, so here color is property, that's why we are writing red is what? Value. Red is a value of this color property. Okay, or entirely this block is known as declaration block. Okay, semicolon basically indicate like this property end means end of the line, it indicate, right? So let's see how we will create one h1 tag and we will try to apply some style on it. Okay, so let's see how we can do it. So I have one folder, my folder name is code. Here I have created one index.html. Now I will write basic template. So in order to write basic template, just press this exclamation sign and press tab, right? So you will get basic template. So let me write title type css syntax. Okay, so it will display on your browser tab, right? Let me write one heading which is called h1. Okay, h1 heading. Let me write here hello world. Okay, so now I want to apply style on this text. Okay, so how can I apply? So there are different css we have. How many css we have? Okay, let me tell you. So we have number one is inline css. Okay, and number two is internal css, and number third is external CSS. We already discussed about this. Okay, so in this inline CSS, okay, we write it inside the tag, inside tag. Okay, and this we write inside head section. Okay, and this external CSS outside outside the HTML page, HTML document, we can say, right? So like that we can write. So which CSS we will use? We will use here. We will use here internal CSS, right? Okay, so now tell me where we will write our CSS if we want to use internal CSS. So in order to write internal CSS, we will go the head section of this code. So here I will write one tag which is a style tag, and between the style tag I will write my CSS code. Okay, so first what I will write the selector name. My selector name is h1. H1 is tag name. So here I will write tag name. I can select, okay, I want to select this tag, this text. So this text I can select by tag name, I can select by ID. Okay, so we will discuss about this all thing, but basically I'm using here h1 which is tag or element. Then I will write property name, this is the property. Okay, then column, after column you will write value like that. Okay, so it will apply. So what I will do, I will go to live. Okay, I will open with live server. Okay, so here you can see output is coming like this. Okay, suppose can I apply only one properties or more than one property I can apply? I can apply more than one property on a single tag. Okay, so how can I apply? I will write semicolon in last, then I can write another property. Let me say border. Okay, so border radius. Okay, so I'm writing shorthand properties of border. So I will write here border width, okay, which is 2 pixels. Then solid. Let me write flag is the color of the border. Like this I can give the border. Okay, suppose I don't want this much large border, I want to keep little small. Okay, so I will write here width, which is another property, and I can say width is like 200 pixel. Okay, and save it and check. Okay, so it is coming something like that. If you want to make it thick, then you can increase the width size. Border width is increasing from here. Okay, and you can see your border is applying. So how many properties you are applying? First is color, it will change the text color, and then you are applying border properties. Okay, and then you will writing width, another property. So three properties you are applying at a time, right? So this is how we can use, this is how we can apply properties in CSS. Okay, so what we have seen, like if you want to apply property in any HTML tag, then you should follow this syntax: selector name, then curly braces, then property name, and then column, and then value, and then semicolon. I hope you are getting this. All right. So thank you everyone. In the next video, we will discuss more about CSS. Okay. So thank you for watching.